Hello everyone, and thanks for joining. Today I'll show you how to enable message filtering in the Discord app on your Android mobile device. This is a simple way to keep your direct messages free from spam and unwanted content. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android mobile. Next, tap the settings icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, scroll down and select the option labeled Content and Social. After that, scroll down until you find Direct Message Spam. Finally, choose the Filter All option to enable filtering for all direct messages. This setting will help keep your Discord messages safe and clean by automatically filtering potential spam. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.